Hi, Pat here. I have a Pioneer cassette deck model CT F2121. This deck was made in 1976. It does power on. Pop the tape in. And hit play. And the VU meters are going. I haven't hooked up to an amp yet, but let's look inside here. And if I was hit rewind, nothing happens. Same with fast forward. It just isn't going. But play does go. So I'm going to tear it apart. See what I can find. I got this mechanism loose. Kind of a pain in the ass. There's some lights in there. I have to check those, see if those bulbs are good. And this piece came off. And I got this thing to come off. And little light down there. Let me start getting here. I'm going to change these belts and start cleaning things up in here. It is quite dirty. I'm cleaning the rubber rollers in these things, and you can see how black they come out. Look at that. We'll take care of the pinch roller down there. And I like to use this stuff. Does a good job. I got things cleaned up and they're holding nice and strong. So everything's looking good. I had to take this board here loose, and I got this part off. I was able to get in here, change the main belt here. I tore the motor apart, cleaned up there. I used low deoxin on there, and cleaned up the low brushes on there. And I'll get a drop of oil in there, see if I get running a little smoother. Now I got things moving good. It fast forwards nicely, and it'll rewind nicely. One of these light bulbs was out, so I just went ahead and replaced them both. And it just fits in right there. Right now I got a speed test tape in, and we should be hitting at 3,000. It's basically just all over the place. So I'm going to have to figure out why it's doing that. I changed out this cap on this board. It was a little weak. It's 16 volts, 1000 microfarads, and I'm reading 722. A little low beyond its 20%. I'm still having problems with the tape speed. It's still all over the place. Now, I pull the pinch roller back here a little bit. You notice the tape speeds up. And do it again on the meter. Pulling it back. It's up to 8K. Now if I push on the pinch roller just a little bit, I get it to stabilize. And well, you can see down there that spring's hooking in right there. There's another hole right above it. I don't believe you can see it. And try moving that spring up there. That's what the manual suggests. With the transport in play, got a little piece of Scotch-Brite on here. And I just let it rub on there to clean that wheel up good. And do the same thing on the pinch roller down here. I got a little more stable now. It's just bouncing around a little bit, so it's in good shape. I got it recording right now, and let's rewind a little bit and check out.
Keep on drinking always, singing farewell to Clark, goodbye Betsy Brown. Farewell to Clark, I'm gonna leave this town.
And it's sounding good. I got store-bought tape in now, and it's sounding quite nice. This deck came out pretty nice. Both the sides look good, and the top looks good. I'm going to call this one done. Thanks for watching the video.